Hello everyone, we are back with another good question. Let's take a quick look at the question. To solve this question, you must know the rules of order operation. We'll code this as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses, A stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There is no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction operations are performed from left to right. Let's apply this rule to our equation. What operations are there? Parentheses, subtraction, exponent, addition, parentheses, addition, exponent. What should we do first? We'll solve the parentheses. First parenthesis, 7 minus 3 equals 4, 2 power, plus second parenthesis, 7 plus 3 equals 10 to the 2 power. Now, let's calculate the exponents. 4 to second power is 4 times 4, plus 10 to second power, 10 times 10. Now let's find the result of the multiplication. 4 times 4 equals 16, plus 10 times 10 equals 100. Finally, addition. 16 plus 100 equals 116. We solved this solution in detail. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.